Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Study Plaza. Today I discuss the most important topic that is blood. Blood biology का बहुत ही important topic है. आप किसी भी competitive exam के लिए प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं, दिस वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल बननी है. वीडियो को अच्छे से वॉच करें এবং लास्ट में मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए आप 20 से कितना स्कोर किया है. आपके स्कोर से आपको पता चलेगा आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं इस टॉपिक से किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए. तो शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following coagulating factor of blood is hypothetically coagulating factor the axillary. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. और एक्सिलरी और भी आई फैक्टर भी बोलते हैं इसको. एंड किस्मस फैक्टर, आई एक्स फैक्टर, लाकी लॉरेन फैक्टर, एक्स ट्रिपल आई, स्वर्ट पावर फैक्टर मीन्स एक्स. नेक्स्ट, which of the following vertebrates organ receive only oxygenated blood? Receive the oxygenated blood only of spleen. Spleen is a lymphoid hemopoietic organ which is only receive the oxygenated blood. Option C the right answer. And spleen always help the formation of red blood cell and lymphocyte. Next, which of the following types of leukocytes secrete the heparin and histamine? Basophil. Option C the right answer. Basophil is the most important white blood cell which contain the heparin and histamine. Next, which of the following is the principal cation in the plasma of blood? Blood principal cation sodium. Main option B is the right answer. এবং সেই সঙ্গে anion is a main anion is a chloride. क्लोराइड एनायन पॉइजन नीड होता है, आपको ये भी अच्छे से याद करना है. नेक्स्ट, एडल्ट आरबीसी आर प्रोड्यूस बाय रेड बोन मैरो. ऑप्शन सी द राइट आंसर. एंड आपको अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरबीसी इज कॉल्ड एरिथ्रोपोइसिस. नेक्स्ट, the production of the red blood cell in bone marrow regulated by production of the bone marrow are red blood cell regulated by erythropoietin. Erythropoietin always stimulate the bone marrow to the increase the production of RBC. Option B is the right answer. Next, universal donor blood group is the O, because you know that O blood group are contain A and B antibody, but it does not contain any antigen, so it is easily donate her blood. So option A is the right answer. Universal donor and universal receiver is A and B, because universal receiver is because A and B blood group, because A and B blood group do not contain any antibody, it is contain A and B antigen. Next, during the process of blood coagulating, vitamin K help for the formation of prothrombin. Option A is the right answer, because vitamin K is a very important blood clotting. Lack the vitamin K, take the long to clot and increase the amount of blood lost. So vitamin K is a very important. Next, the lifespan of the thrombocytosis, the thrombocytosis are very essential for the blood clotting. Lifespan is a 3 to 5 day only. Option A is the right answer. Next, the number of the WBC white blood cell in human, it is the WBC white blood cell colorless cell with a nucleus. The average normal limit is 5000 to 10,000 per cube millimeter. So none of this option correct, all option is the correct. None of this option correct. एवरेज होते 500 to 1000. तो आपको एग्जाम में ऑप्शन देख के आपको ये याद रखना है 1000 50 to 1000 के से जितने स्कोर आते हैं वही राइट आंसर होना है. तो यहाँ पे ऑल ऑप्शन आर राइट. Next, collection of the WBC at the site of is called diapedesis. Option B is the right answer. Next, who is one of the following blood group person cannot donate the blood group others? So the right answer is ABO blood group cannot donate our blood because ABO blood group do not contain any antibody. It is contain the A and B antigen. So it receive the blood but that does not donate any blood group any others person. So option B, option A is the right answer. Next, large and fragile RBC with less hemoglobin is due to the deficiency of crystal initiating factor. Crystal intensing factor. Option A is the right answer. Next, manifestation of increase in the blood pressure of a person is called manifestation of increase the blood pressure is called is a hypertension. Option A is the right answer. Coagulation of blood in blood vessel in living body is prevented by heparin. Option A is the right answer. Basophil is a one type of WBC which contain the histamine and heparin. Next, what is the correct for a person with blood group O? Blood group O. Right answer is option A. O blood group person does not contain any antigen but contain both A and B antibody. Option A is the right answer. Next question. The RH factor is concerned with RH factor is always concerned with the Mankey rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey. So option A is the right answer. Next, which of the following are not true cell in the RBC? Not true cell in the RBC. Option blood platelet. Option A is the right answer because it is the very small, have a granular cytoplasm without nucleus. So option A is the right answer. Agranulocytes are lymphocytes and monocytes. They are white blood cells that have no distinct granular in their cytoplasm. So lymphocyte and monocyte are agranulocytes. Option A is the right answer. Next, a person meet with any accident and there is not time to check his blood group. Which of the following must be given him? AB negative, of ORH माइनस ब्लड ग्रुप डोनेट. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. एवं प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए आप 26 कितना स्कोर किए.